Alright guys, so in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how I make $7,313 in 6 trading days. Now let me show you guys. Just take a good look of this guys, so you will notice that we started trading in this account. Okay, first of all, we made a deposit of $350 in the 17th of March, and the second deposit was increased to $150 in 19th of March, which make everything $500, right? So in 7 trading days, we came out with this. Now let's go to the trading histories over right here, and if you can see, don't forget that we trade on MEXC, right? Just take a good look of this, right? So these are the trading histories over right here, which you can see. You can see the today's profit and the recent profit on 7 days, right? So you can see everything for yourself. Now just take a good look of this, the days that we made all this, and you can see for yourself over right here, right? So you can see over right here that trading is simple when you trade with the right tools like our arbitrage crypto trading board over right here, which execute trade on your behalf that you don't need to stress yourself. Now imagine yourself waking up with just a simple plug and play system, and you come out with this in just 6 trading days without you doing nothing, right? So just take a good look of this, right? So if you're interested, you want to make the same profit like this, just click on the link to register your MEXC, then you fund your estate and hit us direct to say how do I get this crypto trading robot, so that because it is a win-win game over right here now. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video, right?